Meaning of expressionless.
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 Expressionless. Expressionless means having a lack of emotion or facial expression. This can be seen as a blank or neutral facial expression, one that does not convey any specific emotions such as happiness or sadness. The person may appear detached, disinterested, or unemotional. It can sometimes be difficult to interpret the person's thoughts or feelings due to their lack of expression. An expressionless face can convey a sense of calmness or control but can also come across as cold or distant to others.